We're here at Puerta Orion. We're gonna be doing some cool hikes. We're gonna be seeing a really cool river. It's a very colorful river. And we're gonna see some ancient rock drawings. So I hope you join me on this beautiful, beautiful trip. You're seeing some amazing rocks. So we made it to this beautiful river. We're actually going to walk a bit further so we can swim. So we made it to the waterfall and we're gonna dive in for a little swim. Let's go. We just had a really nice swim and I'm now gonna transport us to Laguna Negro. So, we made it. We're in the boat. And what are we gonna do actually? Sometimes it is good to not know where you are going, to let you be taken by the current of life, and to just enjoy the magnificence of life unfold, to realize you're just a small dot in a vast world. The drive was pretty interesting. We almost got stuck, but at least we made it to the finca. Finca means boerderij, aka farm. Let's have a look at my friend. Today we're gonna see some ancient wall drawings. We're gonna do a long hike. So we're currently hiking all the way to the top of the hill. And hopefully we're gonna get some cool views. So we made it to the rock drawing. Here it is. Pretty cool. It's 10,000 years old. The walls are absolutely huge and that's also the reason why it's so preserved. So we're now gonna be walking through the cave. We're gonna go all the way through and we're gonna get out on the other side actually. So we finally made it all the way to the top. We've got this amazing view over here. Keep watching because tomorrow we're gonna be swimming with dolphins. Another day, another adventure. Going with the boat first, the barco. And we're excited. Right, Laura?
Super excited.
These are some of the richest lands in the world, not because of their money, but because of their diversity. And not only animals are part of this diversity, because there's so many different fruits here in the Amazon. It actually already comes like in a handy package, so you can just walk and eat it along the way. Woohoo! So now we're gonna find the dolphins. Yeah, as you can see, it's no sea, it's a river. So they're river dolphins. You might be wondering like, what the hell are there dolphins in the Amazon? Yes, the river dolphins. We might even be able to swim with the dolphins, which is gonna be exciting.
12 seconds later.
Fucking scary. Let's find them. Don't you think it's a little bit scary? So we were swimming with the dolphins and I already thought that was scary. Back in the boat, 100 meters further, you know what they say? Oh hey look, it's an alligator and it's called Oscar. I'm like, what? Loco! But hey, I survived and they all did too. So it was pretty fun.